Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us from all over the world. I'm your host Fletcher, Product Manager at Raythink. I'm excited to welcome you to the global launch of our latest product, the EX10 handheld thermal camera. Today, we will explore the next generation of handheld thermal imaging. We've got a lot in store. The story behind the EX10, live demos, easy to understand tech explanations, and, of course, 3 lucky draws that you don't want to miss. Don't forget to hit follow by tapping our profile picture. Stick with us for the full show. Trust me, you don't want to miss a second. Before we get to the EX10, let's take a moment to say hello. We have many familiar faces of Raythink here, as well as some new friends joining us for the first time. For those just tuning in, let's quickly introduce Raythink Technology. We want to give you a clear idea of who we are and how our solution can make your work and daily life easier, more efficient, and better. First, Raythink is a fully owned subsidiary of Raytron Group. This means we benefit from Raytron's decades of expertise in core technologies, like chips and detectors. In 2023, Raytron made a major milestone by launching the world's first 8-micron 640 by 512 uncooled infrared detector. A huge achievement in the industry. But here's the key. Raythink operates independently, focusing on developing and manufacturing high-end intelligent sensing devices. Now, I'd like to walk you through Raythink's 2 major product lines, vision security and industrial applications. Let's start with vision security. These product lines use infrared technology to enhance safety and visibility. Our systems are built to perform in harsh conditions, day or night, rain or fog, heat or cold. With Raythink's thermal imaging security solutions, you get clear, reliable protection 24/7. From energy facilities to high-altitude power inspections, our technology helps you see what others can't. It's all about making safety intelligent and visible. Next, let's take a closer look at our industrial line. It's divided into 3 major areas. First, online monitoring. This area focuses on real-time monitoring of industrial equipment and production line. By using thermal imaging, we help companies to spot overheating, energy loss, and other hidden issues before they lead to a costly downtime. It's a proactive approach that keeps operations safe and efficient. Second, gas detection. This is one of the most specialized applications of infrared technology. It detects gas leaks that are invisible to human eye. In hazardous environments like chemical plants or energy facility, early detection can mean the difference between safety and disaster. Our tools help ensure that these risks are caught early, keeping workplaces secure and compliant. Third, handheld detection. Now, infrared imaging is becoming portable and accessible. These handheld devices empower engineers, maintenance teams, and even homeowners to perform quick thermal inspections for equipment checks, leak detection, or home repairs. Together, these 3 areas show how Raythink brings thermal intelligence into every level of industrial life, from massive factories to everyday maintenance. The EX10 handheld thermal camera you see today is designed and built by Raythink from scratch, tailored for everyday use. Over the years, we have achieved independent R&D and large-scale production of multidimensional sensing products. You will find our products in all kinds of industry, from smart factory to robotics, from gas detection and fire safety to clean energy, environmental protection, and even healthcare. You might be wondering, what makes our global reach possible? It's all about 3 key strengths. A dedicated team that drives innovation, a consistent product delivery that you can rely on, and a quick response to meet our customers' needs. We will build a complete team covering software, hardware, industrial design, and marketing, with full expertise in product management. Our mission is simple: to advance intelligent sensing technology, create value for our customers, and contribute to a safer, more energy efficient, and sustainable world. Next, let's welcome our product ambassador, Peter, who will take us through the main highlights of today's launch event.
Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm thrilled to be your product ambassador for the EX10. Today, I'll be taking you through the highlights, key features, and practical applications of this versatile thermal camera. I hope by the end of the session, you'll see why the EX10 is not just a tool, but a reliable companion for both work and daily life. We are proud to introduce a device that's not just a product, but a statement of what's possible, the Raythink EX10. But before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand the current market landscape and the challenges our users face. Handheld thermal imaging devices have gradually become a standard tool for professionals and even household maintenance. Yet, in our extensive research and field testings, we identified several recurring challenges. First, portability remains a key concern. Many devices are bulky or heavy, making them inconvenient for daily use. Second, image clarity and intelligent analysis often come as a trade-off. Some devices deliver clear images but lack of fast processing. Others are compact but underperform in sensitivity. These challenges led us to ask, is it possible to create a handheld thermal camera that is compact, yet delivers professional-grade performance? The answer lies in EX10. And now, let's see it in action in the upcoming product video. After the product video, I'm sure you already have a basic understanding of what the EX10 can do. Let's take a closer look at its key features and see how it performs in real-world scenarios. Before we dive into the display, it's worth mentioning that the EX10 series comes in two models, the EX10 and the EX10 Pro. The EX10 is a single spectrum version, supporting infrared imaging only, while the EX10 Pro is a dual spectrum version, supporting both infrared and visible light modes. While both share the same core design philosophy and usability, there are differences in functionality and supported features between the two models. allowing users to choose the one that best fits their needs. Now, let's talk about the display. The EX10 features a generous 2.8-inch screen, providing a clear and comfortable viewing experience, whether you're inspecting from a distance or holding it close. The large screen not only makes details more visible, but also improves overall usability, especially during longer inspection sessions. Next, let's cover resolution. The camera's native resolution is 160 by 120 pixels. But thanks to our proprietary super resolution algorithm, images can be enhanced up to 320 by 240 pixels. This algorithm, powered by our self-developed infrared chip, preserves fine details and subtle textures, delivering clear images for a handheld device in this price range. When it comes to visualization, the EX10 and EX10 Pro offer different options. The EX10 supports 6 infrared color palettes, allowing users to highlight temperatures difference efficiency. The EX10 Pro, with its dual spectrum capability, supports 9 color palettes and multiple modes including infrared, visible light, picture-in-picture and fusion mode. This flexibility lets users adjust the display to match different scenarios, whether they want high contrast infrared for rapid detection or a combined infrared visible view for more detailed analysis. Finally, the display is designed for real-world use. It's bright enough for daylight conditions, responsive to fast hand movements, and easy to navigate through menus. This combination of large, clear screen and flexible visualization options makes observing thermal patterns simple and intuitive, whether you are a professional on the job or just exploring thermal imagining at home. Now, let's move on to one of the core capabilities of the EX10 series: temperature measurement. At the heart of this function is our self-developed 12-micron WLP infrared detector. Thanks to its smaller size and lower power consumption, it delivers outstanding performance while keeping the device compact and efficient. This detector provides an impressive thermal sensitivity of 40 millikelvin, which means it can capture even subtle temperature differences. The result is sharper, more detailed thermal images. And the enhanced resolution makes it easier to detect small hotspots or temperature variation in both industrial and daily life applications. The EX10 offers versatile temperature measurement modes. The EX10 model supports up to 3 customizable measurement points, while the EX10 Pro supports up to 6 points. Users can measure specific spots or compare multiple points simultaneously, allowing precise analysis for various scenarios. In addition, the EX10 supports adjustable measurement ranges and alarm thresholds. This ensures that whether you are checking a circuit board, inspecting HVAC systems, or monitoring home energy efficiency, you can quickly identify issues before they become critical. Combined with the large 2.8-inch display and multiple color palettes we discussed earlier, the temperature measurement function becomes highly intuitive. You can visually analyze thermal patterns in real time and make informed decisions on the spot, whether you are a professional engineer or a homeowner performing routine inspections.